This is Stone Diggers. I show you mine, you recover. Meteorite stone, stony meteorite. This texture of this meteorite is also so unique. Fusion cross, you can see it. Fusion cross there, a little green and white crystals. Yeah, that's so cool, so beautiful.